Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to teach Mandarin, and from now on we are going to learn Mandarin words from the very basic. Again, I will write down pinyin and handwriting in English to help you remember those words. I have attached 5 flashcards here to show you the pictures and writings and pinyin, but I will write them down for you because the order of the strokes is very important. The first one, 人, 日, en, 人, that's the rising tone. How to make the strokes? Follow me, please. 一, 二. So 2 strokes, 1, 2. That would be 人. It's very easy, the easiest Chinese character. That means people or person. Don't worry about plural or singular. Chinese character 1 doesn't have plural or singular doesn't have female or male. You do loads of memory. 人, if you want, you can draw a little picture here to show, oh, that is a little people, 人. If you are good at learning language by music, you can always go back to the YouTube other channels to listen to the children's song in Mandarin. So that is the first character, 人, people, person. Let's come to the second one, 口. I'm going to teach you this one, 口. It means mouth. One Chinese character, it means mouth. This one, 嘴巴, which is very colloquial. So in daily language, we might need to use 嘴巴. But you can see it's very complicated to write, especially 嘴. So we will go with the easy ones, 口. 口 is very useful. It doesn't mean we don't use it in daily life. We use it. For example, your mouth might smell. We use this word, 口臭. 嘴巴, we use it in other occasions, like when we teach the little kids, the babies, to start learning Chinese, we might use 嘴巴. Where is your mouth? On your face? 你的嘴巴在哪里? So again, for the easy writing, let's try 口, 科, o, 口. First stroke, 一. Second one, 二. 三. 3 strokes we have 口. It's also useful in a way, 口, often being taken as radicals. And for example, look at the left part of 嘴. It actually uses 口 as radicals. So that's why 口 is much more useful for the beginners, and it means mouth. If you want, you can always draw on your notebook to show you what it means. That's 口, mouth. The third one, 头, 一, 二, 三, 四, 五. 5 strokes we have 头, that means head. Head, 头, 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 that means head. When we were a little child, and we did lots of rote learning, so probably right now, if you start from the very beginning, you need rote learning. Just remember as it is. But as you go along, use it to make phrase. You probably can say more. Fourth one, 目. Again, we will learn this one character, 眼睛, eyes. We use it in daily life more, 眼睛. 目 is more a writing word. But again, if you say 目, As a Chinese, we would understand what you mean. 眼睛 is used more often in daily language. How to write more? 1、2、3、4、5. 5 strokes, we have mu. This is mu, mu, wu, mu. Okay, and then we have 耳朵. Okay, 耳朵, 耳, ears. Ears or ear. Again, it doesn't matter plural or singular. Okay, let's write down together. 1、2、3、4、5、6. Okay, 6 strokes, you will have 耳. It's read as 耳. More practice is needed, of course. There will be games, quiz to help you, but my video help you and guide you from the very beginning. That's your reference. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Goodbye.